So we turn the unit on, call for heat. Inducer motor comes on. Hot surface igniter ignites. We got 24 volts going to the valve. We have a bad gas valve. So the circuit board is not the problem. Someone said it was the board. But if the board is bad, you don't get 24 volts going to the valve. We're gonna test it one more time. There's a hot surface igniter. And there's our 24 volts. We have a bad gas valve. We're gonna have to switch it out. We'll go one more time. This is exactly what happens when the wires are plugged into the gas valve. You get the inducer motor, then the pressure switch closes, then you get your hot surface igniter and no flame. And since we have 24 volts going to the valve, it's okay to condemn the valve at that point. I already made sure we had gas. We're gonna watch it one more time. After that, the unit will go on lockout mode, and to reset it, you just unplug the unit for about 10 seconds, plug it back in. After removing and replacing the gas valve, you check the rating on the inches of water column that's on the valve, and then you get a manometer and you test the unit. You run it and you make sure that you have the proper inches of water column. I have another video explaining how to check inches of water column. Like I said, I disconnected the wires from the gas valve and I put one probe in each electrical terminal and check for voltage when hot surface igniter begins to glow. This shutoff valve belongs over here. It's more convenient. So I removed all the piping going to the gas valve. I put the shutoff valve where it belongs. I removed these two screws right here, and well, I'm gonna run to the supply house, grab a new valve, install it, test it. Piece of cake. Have a good one.